Wonderful viewers, followers, and fans, you are welcome to another edition of our TMM. The TMM today is carried out by Basic 4 Pupils of Justice Academy, Gwagoleda, Abuja. Stay tuned, don't scroll up, don't scroll down, just stay tuned, watch, enjoy. Thank you very much. And today I have with me 11 pupils from Basic 4. With me is we have about 28 questions here. We have 5 seconds to answer a question. If I read the question twice and you know the answer, you just write it down and step out. Once this is time out, time off, you are not allowed to come forward. Thank you. Alright. Our first question. A rectangle has a length of 7 cm and a width of 3 cm. Find the perimeter. A rectangle has a length of 7 cm and a width of 3 cm. Find the perimeter. Thank you. Alright. 21 cm wrong. Yes. 21 cm wrong. 20 cm correct. 20 cm. 20 cm. 21 wrong. Three sweets are to be given to every child at a party. How many sweets are needed for 168 children? 3 sweets are to be given to every child at a party. How many sweets are needed for 168 children? Alright, thank you. Yes. 504 sweets. What is that? No, wrong. 500 wrong. 500 wrong. 504 correct.
Stand, you still have
554 correct. 504 correct. 99 wrong. And 5,005 wrong. Thank you. The answer is actually 504 feet. Express 675 as a fraction of 1,000 in its lowest term. Express 675 as a fraction of 1,000 in its lowest term. Thank you. 5 over 8 correct. 1 over 3 wrong. 25 wrong. 5 over 8 correct. 5 over 8 correct. 1 over 5 correct. 5 over 8 correct. 5 over 8. Question. Which of these fractions is the smallest? Which of these fractions is the smallest? 5 over 8, 11 over 16, 3 over 4. 5 over 8, 11 over 16, 3 over 4. Yes. 5 over 8. Correct. Correct. 5 over 8. 3 over 4 wrong. 3 over 4 wrong. 5 over 8 wrong. 1 over 5. 3 over 4. 5 over 8 correct. 5 over 8 correct. 5 over 8 correct. Alright. If a rope is 4.8 meters long, how many centimeters is it? If a rope is 4.8 meters long, how many centimeters is it?
I'm on top of the world, I'm on top of the world.
Alright. Yes. 4,800 centimeters. 4,800 centimeters. Correct. 4,800 centimeters. Are you done? Thank you. Step back. A taxi driver uses 6 liters of petrol a day to work. He uses 6 liters of petrol a day to work. Find the amount of fuel he will use for 7 working days. The amount of fuel he will use for 7 working days. Alright. 42 liters correct and 42 liters correct. Find the product of 8.6 and 37. The product of 8.6 and 37. Yes. Wrong. 318.2. Correct. 218.2, correct. The weekly salary of a worker is 17,500 naira. Find his yearly salary. The weekly salary of a worker is 17,500 naira. Find his yearly salary. That's 910,000, correct? Wrong. 991,000 wrong. 110,000 correct. 50,000 wrong. 110,000 correct. Okay. If the cost price of an article is 2,600 naira, the cost price of an article is 2,600, and the selling price is 2,900, find the profit or loss. 300 naira profit, correct? 200 naira profit, correct? 200, no, that's 200. 200 naira profit, correct? 200 naira profit, correct? 200 naira profit, correct? 30 naira profit, wrong. 200 naira profit, correct? 30 naira wrong. 300 naira profit, correct? Okay. The sum of 632 naira was divided equally among 8 children. How much did each child receive? The sum of 632 naira was divided equally among 8 children. How much did each child receive? Okay. 504 wrong. 16 wrong. 169 wrong. The answer to that question, 632 divided by 8 is 79. 632 divided by 8 is 79. Alright. And then that brings us to our final question. Right? 1 kilometer equals how many meters? 1 km equals how many meters? 1 kilometer is equals to 100 meter wrong, 100 meter wrong, 1,000 meters correct, 1 km wrong, go back, 100 wrong, 1,000 correct, 1,000 correct, 1,000 correct, 1,000 correct. And now stay back. Okay. Thank you very much for joining us in this edition. Now we go to getting the final score. And to our final score, Jeremiah Olaki, 4 marks. Chizurumoke Success, 2 marks. Aisha Anand, 6 marks. Emmanuel Gift, 8 marks. Grace, 2 marks. Yula Onoja, 16 marks. Dani Ayaka, 2 marks. Christopher, 6 marks. Zara, 6 marks. And Adewale Sunday Mayokun, 16 marks. Now we're going to throw, we have a tie. We have a tie of 16 marks. So we're going to throw a random question. Mayokun and Bila, please come out. Just step out. Then I throw the random question. Your answer is, if you get it correctly, you win. Alright. A basket contains 95 oranges. How many groups of 5 are there in it? Yes, let me see your answer. 19 oranges. Good. 19 is good. Correct. Another random question. What is the square root of 169? Yes. 13 correct. 13 correct. Good. What's the formula for a perimeter? For looking for a perimeter of a rectangle. Formula of looking for a perimeter of a rectangle. Thank you. Yes. Length and breadth wrong. Length and breadth wrong. What's the place value of 4? What is the place value of 4 in 623.4. 623.4. What's the place value of 4? Yes. Yes. Wrong. That's 10. We have a winner. That brings us to the end of our CMM for today. Mila ended up scoring 22 marks and Mayokun scored 24 marks. So these are our CMM champions.